Restaurant Management 201 and 301 are the perfect solutions for bars and restaurants who don't have the time or resources to develop a manager training program. Because we understand that restaurant management is more than just knowing how to lock up at night. It's being an effective leader, a systems master, and a finance whiz all at once. That's why we provide thorough, top-to-bottom management training for you, from two industry experts with over 55 years of combined ownership and management experience. In Restaurant Management 201, your managers will learn strategies that will make daily operations easier and more efficient, and will challenge them to find ways to improve the systems and strategies already in place in your business. If it's all you can do to get to the end of each shift with your head above water, and you don't have time to focus on the future of the business, Restaurant Management 201 is for you. Restaurant Management 301 assumes your daily operations are efficient and profitable, and you are ready to grow. Whether you want to tighten up all the little details of your current location, open a few new locations, set up a head office, or become a hands-off owner who lets your manager steer the ship, 301 is for you. At the end of the day, systems and strategies are only as strong as the people who are implementing them. Our restaurant management workshops place a high priority on training your managers to become leaders. If you want a strong team who are all working towards the next level of success for you and your business, plus an incredible expo floor full of industry professionals and additional expert education, sign up today.